this theorem is going to be theorem 0.019. So let's see. Theorem 0.019. There's not really going to be a name for this one. So what it says is if a ray AB has an endpoint, so endpoint A on a line L, but does not Y on line L, then all points of ray AB except A lie on one side of L in the same half plane. It's equivalent of saying it's in the same half plane. Anyways, I'm going to do the proof in, let's go orange. I don't want to do this in the same color, so I'm going to put it kind of close together. And this is going to be a proof by contradiction. So, proof by contradiction. Alright. So, let's suppose that what we just said is false. So, suppose not. Then, there is a point C on the ray AB where C does not equal A. So we just assumed there was no point, that they didn't have any points in common besides point A. Now we're supposing that's false, so we're saying there's a point C where they're the same. And we'll also say, and C is on the opposite side of L from B. So, by Posh separation axiom, I think that was 0.017 maybe. It was a pretty recent video. So by Posh separation axiom, BC intersects the line L at some point. Well, the point of intersection must be the point A. If not, then AB equals L, and that's by point line incidence axiom. And hence AB, the ray AB, would lie on L. But this brings us to a contradiction. Alright, so this contradicts the earlier now I'll write assumption on the next line. Assumption because A is the only point on L. So we have, let's draw a picture. Let's draw a picture of what we have so far. Well, let's get the line L. A, put B over here, and we'll put C over here. So this is what this would have to look like. Actually, I should have C over here, make it easier to draw. So the line so far, because it can only cross at one point, this line can only cross line L at one point because it's a ray. It would have to cross at point A and come back to point C, which that looks pretty weird, but we can't assume it's false just because it looks weird. But in this case, it is false because of the reasons that we gave. So we also have A is between C and B. Therefore, by a previous theorem, C is not an element of the ray AB because it's on a different half plane. So this leads to a contradiction. So thus, all points of the ray AB except A lie on the same side or half plane of L. And we're done.